Knob 1. Perfect combination. Fendt 930 paired with Krone. Easy cut. In the modern agricultural world, the combination of the Fendt 930 and Krone Easy Cut isn't just a significant step forward. It's the perfect fusion of power and efficiency. Let's explore the highlights of this pairing. 1. Maximum power and efficiency. The Fendt 930, with its robust and energy-efficient engine, stands as an icon of strength in agriculture. When paired with the Krone Easy Cut, a leading-edge mower with high efficiency, the power and efficiency of both are optimized to the fullest. This enhances work productivity and maximizes profits for users. 2. Precision and versatility. The combination of the Fendt 930 and Krone Easy Cut brings precision and versatility to agricultural tasks. With flexible adjustment capabilities and advanced features like automatic balancing and intelligent control systems, users can easily tailor the machinery to their specific needs. 3. Convenience and comfort. The Fendt 930 is known for its spacious and convenient cabin, providing a comfortable working environment for drivers. When paired with the Krone Easy Cut, drivers benefit from this convenience, enhancing focus and productivity during work. 4. Reliability and durability. Both the Fendt 930 and Krone Easy Cut are built with high quality and durability, ensuring stable and reliable operation over long periods without requiring extensive maintenance. This minimizes downtime and enhances work efficiency. Overall, the combination of the Fendt 930 and Krone Easy Cut isn't just a pairing of two leading technologies in agriculture. It's the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and convenience. It's an excellent choice for any farmer looking for the ideal combination to optimize their production. Review of Class Lexion 770 TT Optimal Power and Performance ***. The Class Lexion 770 TT is not just a combine harvester, but a symbol of power and efficiency in agriculture. With a range of advanced features and intelligent design, it meets every user's needs excellently. Power and performance equipped with a powerful engine and advanced technology, the Class Lexion 770 TT delivers outstanding performance per hectare. Its ability to move flexibly across all types of terrain helps optimize working time and save costs. Smart design and convenience. The machine's design is a perfect combination of performance and convenience. The spacious and comfortable cabin, equipped with modern features like air conditioning and vibration reduction, provides a comfortable and efficient working experience. Flexibility and diversity ***. The Class Lexion 770 TT is designed to adapt to various types of crops and different conditions. Its flexibility allows for easy adjustments to optimize performance and the quality of the final product. Conclusion With superior power, performance, and flexibility, the Class Lexion 770 TT is not just a combine harvester, but a reliable partner for every farmer and crop producer. Whether working on rice fields, soybeans, or wheat, this machine delivers undeniable performance and quality. for taking the time to watch our video today. We hope that the information and content we shared have been valuable to you. If you found this video helpful and worthwhile, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support is a great encouragement for us to continue producing more high-quality videos in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow our channel, and remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos from us. Once again, thank you all so much for your support. We look forward to seeing you in our next videos.